Hidden inside this abandoned ruin, we found a motorcycle that looked completely destroyed. Rust covered every inch, but underneath all that dust and damage, we saw the soul of a legendary vintage bike, waiting for a second chance. So we decided to bring it back to life. From removing years of rust to rebuilding the engine, repainting every part, and restoring every small detail. After hours of hard work, this forgotten scrap bike has transformed into a stunning machine that looks showroom new. And now, it's finally time for the final reveal. If you enjoy finding restoration videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe.